Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I brought a very important and very useful simple Chrome hack trick. The trick is basically the converting your Chrome into notepad. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि आप कोई चीज़ नेट पे पढ़ रहे होते हैं और आपको तुरंत उसको लिखना होता है, तो इसके लिए आप बहुत लॉन्ग प्रोसीजर से जाते हैं. पहले सर्च में जाते हैं, आप वर्ड सर्च करते हैं, देन यू ओपन इट, देन यू राइट इट, देन सेव इट. So there is a long procedure. So I'll tell you a very quick and short step where you can convert your Chrome into notepad. And yes, to hack it, to do it, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can copy it and you can paste it. Okay, so let me quickly demonstrate how you can do it, and believe me, it is very simple and आप इसको 2 मिनट में कर सकते हैं. तो चलिए हम ओपन करते हैं अपना Chrome browser. I just clicked on Chrome. I already copied the link, so I'll just paste it. Simply do Control V. Okay, the link is pasted. Okay, simply then press enter. This link will be given in the description box. Okay, it is giving you a message that it's not secure, but don't worry, now your Chrome is converted into a notepad. Here you can write anything. So for demonstration purpose, I already wrote. I hope it is indeed very interesting. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and for more helpful videos. Further, you can if for demonstration I can write, thanks for watching my videos, please like it. Okay, so you can write anything directly. If you think that font is very small, आपको बहुत छोटा छोटा दिख रहा है, आप simply control और plus करिए. Okay, you can zoom it, you can see, you can zoom it as per your requirement. You can write it, and the beauty is that you can copy it also. Okay, simply do copy and you can paste it at any place. Okay, so if you want to immediately, so I'll suggest you directly bookmark it. I already bookmarked here. You can directly bookmark it. Click on this star symbol and directly click on done. Okay, so it will be on your bookmark. Okay, as soon as you open your new tab window, you can see here the link is already bookmarked. Simply click here and start writing. Hello guys, isn't it? I hope it is very cool trick and you will like it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll keep on posting such a useful information, and my channel, the aim of my channel is to keep all those information at one place. So if you'll subscribe it, and if you can press the bell icon to see my videos at first. Okay, so I would like to say at the last, thank you so much.